Well, hello everybody. We are back at the property. You can see behind me we have a backhoe going. He's cleaning up the old greenhouse area. We're going to move some rocks around, as I mentioned earlier, and make this a great looking place. We're learning a little bit about the land. We see a lot of ATVs come shooting through here and motorcycles because there is a huge BLM land off-road area back around behind these rock hills. So, a lot of progress today. We're excited. Can't wait to show you what this turns out to look like. As you can see, there's a lot of cement in the ground where they had the post outside of the greenhouses. We're getting that all out of the ground. And you can see from all the digging over here that really it's deep sand, which we were a little bit worried about that there'd be just tons of rocks, but no, it's very nice deep sanded around here. So that's perfect for what we're doing. That's just perfect. So we're planning to utilize this rock, it's quite a big rock, and put a fire pit out here because it's got a nice flat area that you can sit on. So maybe we'll put the fire pit about right here and probably take that boulder, bring it down here, and a couple others to just put out here and make it look a little more natural. I believe if I were to build a trail, it'd probably come to about where I am now and go up through that little almost natural path up to that tree and over the top with a bunch of stairs in it. It'd be a bit of vertical, but it's not too bad. That would be a great way to the top. I'm going to walk it right now. Place to put something be right here in this generally flat area. Yeah, you could easily build a place up here, and this would be the view. If you could lift that, I will be so impressed. actually picked it up. Oh my God. Travis, you're the man. I am impressed with that machine.
Morning, honey. You want to see what you do yesterday?
Slept good. I slept good. Let's see what we did. The sand will smooth out with the wind and the rain. I think it'll look really good. We might even have a fire tonight.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe, turn on the bell button, and see you on next video. Ciao.